Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly with corn flour. First, select your favorite ripe fruit, such as berries or peaches, and wash it thoroughly. You will need 2 cups of prepared fruit, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and 1/2 cup of water. Having all your ingredients measured and ready before you begin will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple method ensures a delicious, clear jelly every time. Next, combine your 2 cups of prepared fruit with 1/2 cup of water in a medium saucepan. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. During this time, use a potato masher or a fork to lightly mash the fruit. This step helps to extract all the wonderful juices and natural pectin, forming a flavorful base for your jelly. Now for the thickening magic. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of corn flour with about 4 tablespoons of cold water to create a smooth slurry. Slowly pour this corn flour mixture into your simmering fruit base, stirring constantly to prevent lumps. Continue to cook and stir for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice the mixture beginning to thicken beautifully, transforming into that perfect jelly consistency. Once your jelly has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Carefully skim off any foam that may have formed on the surface for a clearer final product. Ladle the hot jelly into clean, sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Allow the jars to cool completely at room temperature before sealing them. Your delicious homemade jelly can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.